Hello, in front of me I've got Alfa Romeo MiTo. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Simply pull it and now the hood is unlocked. Pull the hood slightly upwards and now locate the second lever. Which is in the middle. Pull it left and the hood is unlocked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.